Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to do the Ipsy. Yes, I just uploaded December's bag. This is January's bag for a new subscription that I started. Got an email asking if I wanted to rejoin, and if I did I'd get a promotional bag. So I got two bags for the price of one. I only had to pay for one shipping cost, and I grabbed two add-ons. I just peeked in the bag and I see the second bag. I don't know what the second bag contains, and I only got the two add-ons, which you see here, which I'm super thrilled about. I got the Luxe contour brush. I have the brush from the foundation brush that is from BoxyCharm, and I absolutely loved it. So I picked up this one because I kind of want the whole sets, but I don't want to pay for it all. So, and excuse the nail polish, I put on that purple that was in my Ipsy bag yesterday, and I went to work and this happened. I had to wear gloves. I work in an automotive factory, so yeah, it didn't last, so I'm not too impressed with the nail polish. I usually wear Juleps nail polish, and it can get me through about 2 or 3 days of wear at where I work without any top coats or anything, so I think I will just stick with that. So the next item I have is my add-on, and oh my god, why do they make these boxes so hard to get into? I guess now I ordered this brush and this palette to go with my main subscription that I've had for about 2 years. I ordered 2 of these palettes and then 2 of these because December's bag got lost and I lost the add-ons. It looks like my January bag is in the same situation. It's stuck, it shipped with this one, and I don't know where it is. But I got the Fun Size Violet Voss eyeshadows. Now these ones don't have the name on them, and I don't have my my large one to compare the colors, but either I'll use this or I'll give it to my daughter. I'm not exactly sure. This was $12 American to add on. I love the colors. I love the size of it. I don't do a whole lot of traveling, but I will definitely be bringing this with me. I've worn this a few times, and I can say I love this stuff. So I'm going to get into January's bag, and here's the bag. It's kind of cute. I actually might even take this to work. I have the October bag right now at work. This month I wasn't too impressed with either one of my bags, but because of the add-ons and the extra bag, I thought I can't really go wrong. So let's see, I got the fluid. It's supposed to make your teeth look whiter. I'll probably try this out at a different time. I'm not going to try this right now. I actually, as you can see, I'm not actually even wearing any makeup right now because I just did a face mask, the Tatcha face mask from Boxy for January. I have to say I liked it, but it didn't impress me for $12 for each mask, but I didn't want to put on makeup and then scrub it off and then take away the mask that I just did, so I just put on some L'Oreal Revitalift Vitamin C I got in the mail today for free. I'm not sure exactly why I got it, but I did get it. I do often do reviews for different review sites like ChickAdvisor and Top Box Circle and stuff like that. So it came from Top Box Circle, but I don't have a mission, so anyway, this video is already 4 minutes into it, and I've only shown one of the items. So I got Seraphine Botanicals. It's see here, it is crystal pigmented smoky quartz. Actually, that is a really, really pretty color, and I think I will be using this. I kind of like how it's a pink and a gold all together. I am looking forward to using that. And then I got, now this is coming in, this item is coming in my other bag, if it shows up. Oh, and this is coming as well. So this is in brown. I'm not sure if I will use it. Maybe one of my daughter's friends can use it. I'm not sure how it would go with blue eyes, but it is kind of nice. But I like pinks and purples and stuff like that. I got the, what is it, SL Miss Glam SB68. I'll probably use this, although I do believe I have a brush similar to this. I'm getting this in the other bag as well. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. And of course my favorite things. You can't handle this sheet. And this sheet is Bananas Hydrating Sheet Mask. This mask is so moisturizing. It's bananas infused with ultra hydrating hydraulic acid. This sheet mask will pump dry skin full of moisture for glowing skin in minutes. This is awesome. Right now it's like -20. We're supposed to get really wild weather. It's supposed to snow, sleet, rain, hail. I don't know. It's supposed to do a bunch of things. So I walk to work. I work in a cold, dirty factory, so I will be using this. This is a purifying sheet mask. This sheet is hot stuff infused with natural volcanic ash extract. This mask helps absorb excess sebum and tighten up pores for a clearer, smoother complexion. Ooh, definitely can use this one for sure. So I did this, this, and this. So I believe those are my items from this month. Am I missing something? It feels like I'm missing something. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5 items. So the next bag, it's all in here. I'm supposed to get 5 items in here. So let's see what I got. Okay. So I got another professional. Another Farrah brush. Stella and Grace Meet Mud, Your Skin New Best Friend, Dead Sea Mud Mask. I do have the full size upstairs. I probably will gift this to somebody. I do like Stella and Grace. I believe they were a Canadian company. I believe I saw them on Dragon's Den or something. So be interested to try that. Let's see here. Oh, I got another nail polish. Trust Fund Beauty Zero Carbs. Now, apparently this is another Canadian brand, I believe. Please don't quote me on that. So it's in a muted purple, I would say. Yep, actually, yep. Trust Fund Beauty, made in Montreal, Quebec. I am probably going to try this out. Obviously, I can't try it out right now because of the nail polish already on my hands, or my fingers and my hands. Ooh. The next item I see is the Balm Nude Beach. It's a nude eyeshadow, the Beach Volume 3, and that is the color. Now, the last time I got something from the Balm, I gave it to my daughter, and I see it upstairs, and it's almost all gone. That's actually really, really pretty. You could even just wear that alone, I think. Like, I even do like under your eyes. And then the last item I see here is a lip fondant. Half cake, but does not say the color. Babe tested, vegan approved, power trip. So the last time I got this, I kind of gave it away. Let's see. I saw some people got the Tarte foundation. I was really, really, really hoping for that, but of course, no. Ooh. Power Trip. Not sure I can wear that. Not sure I want to wear that. It's very browny. I actually might have a friend that use that. Obviously, I have a thing going on with browns in the 2 bags, brown and 1 purple. It's just crazy. So there's the 5 items from my extra bag. They gave me 6. Huh. They gave me 6 items. I know that December was an extra item, so I'm kind of surprised about that. The only thing I'm really excited about are maybe these 2 items in the bag itself. I already have the brush, so I will probably put this in the giveaway box that I have upstairs. It's kind of drying down. Yeah. I think Ipsy has gone downhill now with their add-ons. I'm kind of getting disappointed with the stuff that I'm getting. I'm getting really fed up with the shipping. I will be contacting them shortly about my January bag. We'll see how February goes. After February, I don't know. I don't know if I will stay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Right now my computer's on the blitz, so I'm going to be uploading these videos right from my phone and trying to do everything from my phone, so just bear with me. I'm not sure what to do. I need a new camera, I need a new phone. This is first world problems. Sorry, I don't need a new phone, I need a new computer. And so I've got to try and figure this all out. Meanwhile, we're in the middle of renovations and, you know, 4 kids. Life is tough. So some of these subscription boxes will definitely be going in the next few months. I believe I am canceling BoxyCharm once I have spent my charms, so that will be done. Ipsy will be on this way out as well, so that leaves me with probably Top Box, as well as I have FabFitFun, but that is being canceled because, again, their shipping is horrendous. I waited 2 weeks for my edit sale stuff to ship. It is now stuck. It has not moved. And I am getting really, really frustrated. I don't know if it's because of customs. I don't know if it's because of a shipping party. I'm not exactly sure. Nobody's telling anything. So that is my rant for today. I am done. Hopefully later on this week or next week, my Ipsy and my FF will start shipping, and those are, I think, are my last 2 boxes for the month of January. If not, I will unbox my January box in February from Ipsy, and hopefully my stuff from the FabFitFun edit sale shows up so I can do a video of that. Anyway, if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great. The information should be popping up soon if I can get it to do that on my phone. If not, it's down there somewhere. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will try to get back to you. And you can also sign up for Ipsy below. I do get some points. They don't have any promotions running right now, but sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's not. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.